So nice to meet you. My name is Jules Masson, working for Delair. Delair is a French drone manufacturer based in Toulouse. We are manufacturing drone solutions dedicated for devilo's operation since 15 years and now integrating also multi-copter drones in a range of products. We are presenting here at Intergeo the DT46 LiDAR. The DT46 is a convertible drone solution that can take off in VTOL but also with catapult. In VTOL you have 2 hours of autonomy. In catapult you have 4 hours of autonomy with the LiDAR payload of YellowScan. The LiDAR integrated into the drone is the YellowScan Voyager 50 sensors, plus its RGB camera 61 megapixel. So the idea was to put on the market a solution that can increase the productivity of hectares mapped in one single flight. In 1 hour of data acquisition and 120 meters, you can map 820 hectares per hour with 330 points per square meters. So really interesting point density and really interesting numbers of hectares mapped in one flight. For the applications, it can be used for power and utility, digitalization, vegetation management, also for the pipeline asset management, everything related to long linear corridor to map can be also used for pre-construction studies, topography activities and works.